Hey everybody, Sam back once again. Yes, Note 3, HTC One with the boom sound and a non-name speaker. Let's roll the intro. So yes, I've done this with a couple of tests already. I'm going to put the microphone to about here, put them facing towards the speakers, you can kind of see it. We're going to do them one by one. So let's first of all bring this microphone around a little bit again. So they are there. Hopefully it's kind of even. So we're going to do this one here, which is the royalty-free music. It's called Underwater Beats. Right, and that's 30 seconds of that one. What do you reckon? Pretty bloody loud is the Note 3 speaker, I'll give it that one. Let's try the HTC one, hopefully I don't get an advert. Right, and that's 30 seconds on the HTC One as well. Now, first off the bat, off that test there, the Note 3 is considerably louder. The crispness would go to the HTC One at the moment. We are going to do a little bit of an extra test as well, and we're going to go on a little bit further. And again, it all goes down to the quality of the speakers you're listening on, the quality of my microphone, which I would say is pretty decent. It's not the best in the world, but it does seem to pick up audio pretty good. So let's carry on with the Note 3. And that's it, that's a minute into that one. And again, it is extremely loud. It's not the best quality, as I would say. It's very, very good though, I'll give it that. So let's go back to the HTC One. And there we have it. That is the HTC One versus the Galaxy Note 3. Yes, in a speaker comparison test, let's just bring this microphone back around to myself so you can hear me a little bit better to close the video out. Which do you prefer? In all honesty, I think the sound on the HTC One for music, it does sound better. It's not as loud. The Galaxy Note 3 is extremely loud. I've been very impressed by how loud this is. This is probably one of the loudest I've had. But what do you think? Have you tested both? Would you like to test both? That's a question for you. And which do you prefer? HTC One, Galaxy Note 3? Let me know in those comments down below. If you had money to go buy one today, which would you purchase and why? That's a good question for you. Anyway people, as always, please hit the like button, it is very much appreciated. Subscribe for more, and yeah, you'll see me all in my next one. Cheers everyone.